So if you want peace of mind, Vosloorus is an ideal place. Yeah, it's pretty nice.
At story 88.
So now we're at the main street, guys. We're taking the main street. So guys, if you want to promote any branch or any business of yours, you can contact the channel. We'll put a link there or an email address so in which you can contact the channel on story 88. If you want to promote your channel, yeah, please contact us. You're free to do so. Yeah, we can talk then privately and discuss everything, the fees and stuff. Yeah, because what we're trying to do, we're trying to push everyone, guys, especially things that are related to our neighborhoods, so on and so forth. But basically everything we're trying to promote each other, guys. Okay, welcome guys. We're still in Vosloorus. Yeah, just showing the beauty of Vosloorus. Yeah, last time we were doing the part of extension 5, but now we've jumped to this side, but we're yet to find out which extension this is. Yeah, beautiful houses over here, beautiful designs. You can just tell here, guys. Yeah, that's very nice. This is Vosloorus. Yeah, we're doing everything we can, guys, to showcase the beauty of our locations, and also here we'll try by all means to show the beauty of Vosloorus. We'll try to cover as much areas as possible. Very nice house over here. It's very difficult to see. Vosloorus is very beautiful, guys. It's very beautiful. Vosloorus, the East Rand. So since we've started this video here at Vosloorus, yeah, we've just seen beautiful houses. It's a quite a nice area. Yeah. So if you want peace of mind, Vosloorus is an ideal place for you. A very nice suburb. Cool. Okay, guys, I would like to send a shout out to these following people over here. Yeah, you guys who have been showing support to this channel. Yeah, first of all, there's Donald Mulusi. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Yeah, and also thanks for the super chat. Really appreciate it. Thank you, Ms. Mangale K. Thank you so much for continued support, Sisi. Tabo Daniel, my man, you're always there, man. Yeah, I'd like to send a shout out to you. Thanks for your continued support. Kahimani, hello there, thanks for your support. There's also Mpumelelo Ngwenya, Sisi, thank you so much. Cool support, Ilapo. Yeah, there's so many of you guys. Just to mention a few, those who I can still remember. There's Zanele Mtembu, Cynthia R. I really appreciate your support, your continued support. My sister, Eugene, Justin. Thanks so much, man. Thanks so much there. I think it's Message M. Yeah, thanks for your support, yeah, man. Thanks for your support. Yeah, so on and so forth, guys. I really appreciate your continued support. Yeah, that's what keeps the channel going. That's what keeps the channel going there. Okay. Let's check out here. Let's just check out this site. Vosloorus is just beautiful, guys. It's very nice, quiet, peace of mind. Yeah, that's the other side of Johannesburg. We're not only focused on Soweto, but every location we can reach. Okay, guys, let's continue here. We're still in Vosloorus. They say this area is paradise. Extension 13 Vosloorus, but the locals, they know it as paradise. Montana. Very nice and quiet. They say this area is quiet, it's nice. Yeah, so this is peaceful around here. When you're staying around here, you won't see any violence. It's pretty nice. So as you can tell, there are lots of houses that are under construction here.
I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into
very nice, guys. Very nice area. Very nice. Mona.
6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb. A new class divine, yeah, true passion shines.
Very nice flat roof.
I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never cap in space. I won't stop till I hear him say.
Very nice, guys. See the double garage there. It's very amazing, nicely built. So this is Vosloorus, guys. Vosloorus, or either East Rand side of Johannesburg, east side of Johannesburg, southeastern side. Yeah, about 30 kilometers away from Johannesburg to the east. It was previously known as East Rand, but now it's called Ekurhuleni Metro Municipality. Because Gauteng is, I think, is it three? It's 3 metro municipalities. There's Johannesburg, Joburg Municipality, Metro Municipality, there's Tshwane Metro Municipality, and then there's Ekurhuleni. And also it has the local municipalities which are smaller. CDB, there's Mohale City, so on and so forth. Yeah, I'm not sure about the other ones. So where we are at Ekurhuleni, which you find Vosloorus, Katlehong, Boksburg, Kempton Park, Benoni, Germiston. Yeah. Then Johannesburg consists of Johannesburg itself, Sandton, which is under Johannesburg, East Rand, Soweto, the south part, some southern parts of Johannesburg, and Churena, and so on and so forth. Okay, guys. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video to your close associates. Thank you. Peace, guys. This is story 88. This was Vosloorus, Ekurhuleni.